Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell so you never miss another video that I post. So today we have something really crazy. It is this 360 thingy. Hold on. Okay, so usually what would happen, like, the car would come off here. It would go up on these loops because it got on the loops on here because it got so much speed. And there's this yellow thing on here, like right here. See this yellow thing that goes down and up and down. So if it's down, it will do the loop like usual, like do a 360. Do a loop, And if it's up and you add more track, like I did, to make... I just knocked down the thing that I made out of the Hot Wheels track. Cause yeah, I don't know where to start. Okay, there we go. I got it. And in this case, I added on a ramp here. It goes all the way down there. So, yeah, when I lift it up, it will go down this ramp. It will be awesome. So, I'm going to put you guys down over here. Just like that, you can see the ramp up there. So, yeah, we're going to do this. And the car that I'm going to be using, it's a red car. To you guys, it may look purple. To me, it looks red. With flames on it. That's the car I'm going to be using. And red is my second favorite color, if you didn't know. My favorite color is actually gold. But a lot of people like that color, so. Otherwise, it's red. So, like, yeah. I call gold my rare favorite color because, like, not very often you can get gold. So usually it's red. But otherwise, if you get the choice of gold, I'll take gold. Like that. So, yeah. So, we have to turn on this starter thing. It's kind of loud, so I'm going to have to talk over it. Try number 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so that one kind of worked. It came off the edge of the ramp. I mean, it did kind of do a jump, but I think we could do better. I think I'll call that one a success, though. So, one's worked out of the 5 we're going to do. Try number 2. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that one actually worked. Let's go. If you saw that, it went flying in the air over here, like, and it fell. It didn't go too far, but it did go up in the air. So yeah, that was another success. Try number 3. Try number 3 in 3, 2, 1, go! That one did the same thing. It kind of worked. Another success, I guess. 3 out of 5 have worked. And that's all we've done. Try number 4. I did not mean to do that. I was going to count down, but the car had mind of its own, so. That one did work, though, so. Try the 5th and final try here. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that one worked the best. I think the final try, it worked the best. So yeah, I made a gigantic ramp. You may be wondering what this thing is. It's a football pylon. Because yeah, I really like football. I have a ton of football stuff. And you may see all the OU stuff. It's because I love them football, and that's partly why I like red so much. Because OU is my favorite team, Oklahoma University. So yeah. So yeah, as you can tell, I have a lot of OU stuff over here. OU sticker, OU poster, OU curtains. So yeah, I have all that stuff. Yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss another post that I do, because sometimes you do not get notified if you are just subscribed. So yeah, hit that notification bell. And see you next time from IJK Sports.